Are you trying to design interactive website content to make the site more engaging? Well, I am taking the computer programming and analysis program at Durham College. I have learned how to create and design dynamic web pages, and I usually help people with their web development problems. It's always a pleasure to help people. It allows me to learn new things because I am a self believer, and I think that with determination and a lot of effort, we can find solutions to our problems. In fact, on my web development assignment, my instructor commented that my navigation panel was super cool and inspiring. I am super excited to start working and applying these skills and using the knowledge that I have acquired to make some amazing interactive website content.